Hi, I'm Myra Ferguson for CreativePro, and in this video, I'd like to show you how to remove the background from a video using Premiere. If you're a Photoshop user and are used to being able to quickly remove a background from a photo, you'll be happy to know that you can easily remove the background from a video starting with Premiere 2026 using automatic object masking. Here's an example of a video where I'd like to remove the background. It wasn't shot with a green screen or a solid color in the background, so with the clip selected, I'll select the object using the Object Mask tool. Because I want this mask to hide the visibility of the background, I'll select the clip's opacity property in the Effects Control panel. As soon as I click on the subject in the Program Monitor, Premiere masks out the background. Let's scrub the timeline. Although I have a mask, it's not following along with the motion. In order to make it continuously mask the dancing dinosaur, I need to tell Premiere to track the motion. The tracker is found in the Object Mask section in the Effects Control panel. If I mask the object from the first frame, then I'll want Premiere to track the object forward. If I mask the object on the last frame, I'd have Premiere track the motion backward. And if I mask the object somewhere in between, I'd have Premiere track the motion forward and backward. Let's track the selected mask forward. To see the masked content without the pink highlight and the white outline, deselect the object by clicking a blank space in the Effects Control panel. Let's scrub the timeline again. And now we see the background has been masked across the entire clip. Let's try a trickier one. I want to mask out the background but keep the moving balls. This time, I'll start by selecting the clip and the Object Mask tool and click to highlight the subject. You can see the selection, but it isn't masked out because the unassigned mask isn't assigned to the opacity property yet. I'm leaving it unassigned in order to see the balls that aren't a part of the selection. Let's enlarge the Program Monitor by clicking into it to give this panel focus and then pressing the tilde key. While the object mask is selected, I can edit it in the Program Monitor in either the lasso or rectangle mode. I'll use lasso. I'll also use Add to Object. Note that you can use Subtract from Object to remove parts of a mask either from this initial selection or from what gets tracked later. I can either click on each of the balls or encircle what I want to add. To return the Program Monitor to its normal size, I'll press the tilde key again. To make the mask hide the background, I'll drag the unassigned mask to the opacity property. And to make the mask track the motion, I'll press the button for Track the selected mask forward and backward. Let's see how it did. Looks pretty good. And then we can add our own background. I'm Myra Ferguson, and I hope this tip helps you quickly remove the background from your videos in Premiere.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.